Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a file in GitHub. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically to add a file in GitHub is very easy. All you will be needing to do is just to access to repository. And basically we can do that either by going to the three horizontal line, and from here we will need just to go to our repositories from here, or you can simply click on your profile picture and you will need just to click on your repositories and you will find this repositories view. Now we will need to access to our repository project, and from here we will find this add file option, and basically we will be needing to click on create file, and here we give it the name. So basically we can name it main.py for example, or main2.py or whatever. You add your changes and basically you commit the changes. But this is not very suggested to do or not advisable. All you will be needing to do is to simply go to your local repository. That means you will be needing to work on your computer. You can use the GitHub desktop for easy usage. And basically here I have my repository. It is hello world the same as this one. And now we will be needing to go to the main branch, and from here you will find the history that I added. We need just to fetch origin so we can synchronize the both of the mains, and basically we will be needing to find our file that has been added, and now you will need us to put origin, and now the changes will be added. Now the normal course of action is to edit your file from your local repository. You will need just to go to the project, and basically my project is located in documents hello world, and then you do your changes, and from here you will find push the changes. Then basically you will need just to click on push, and the changes will be added to your GitHub, including added file, adding files, deleting files, changing files, whatever. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.